How to connect Bybit account to TradingView and TradingView. Step number one, of course, you need to have account on TradingView and Bybit. If you don't have, you can open it by using links in description. After that, when you open it, you need to open a chart on TradingView. For example, we open Bitcoin Bybit chart. After that, here there would be a button, trade. Press trade, and here, as you can see, menu with exchanges. As you can see here, we have Bybit exchange, we have paper trading, we have Bybit, and you press Bybit. After that, as you can see, you can connect it. As you can see, I connected my Bybit account to TradingView. Remember, before you start taking trade, you need to have money on your account. When you have it, good. After that, what you do, let's do some trades on BTC and also on other coins. Before I will show you additional tutorials, I invite you to join our public Telegram, because remember that Bybit is a powerful exchange and you need strategy and approaches where you can make money on daily basis. We trade on Bybit for quite a long period of time. We have good strategies for a crypto, also for indices, and at this moment on the screen you can see results that we get with our community. Simply follow me on my public Telegram to get access to those knowledge, to those secrets that will help you become profitable. Link is in description. Regarding trading, of course, you need to choose coin. We open, as you can see, BTC. After that, what you do, let's assume that we would like to take a trade. You have order, you have DOM, depth of market. I honestly don't use depth of market here on TradingView. I don't like it. I use order. As you can see here, you have market. You can choose how much you would like to take on a market. As you can see, minimum position size on BTC, it is 0.1. When we press buy with market, we can automatically open it. Additionally, before we take a trade, as you can see, we can add stop loss and take profit automatically. As you can see here, stop loss and take profit are in ticks. Ticks is good for indices. For a crypto, I recommend you to use USD value. For example, you write your risk in USD. Here, when you choose amount of USD of risk, after that, you can see here, it will show to you at what price levels that would be your stop loss. If you take a trade with 0.1 risk to USD, your stop loss would be at 67,461. And the same with take profit, you can do your reward in USD, for example, 5 USD, and it will show to you a price level. Everything is good. You use reduce only orders if you already open a position to make it smaller. At this moment, you don't need it. Good. Let's buy it with market. Congrats, my friends. At this moment, as you can see, we have our first order on Bybit. You can see we have this order, and we have stop loss and take profit. What additionally we can do, remember, in order to move your stop loss, it's really simple. You move it and your stop loss changed. Or you would like to make your stop loss closer, you also change it. Additionally, you can delete your stop loss. And here, as you can see, we just deleted stop loss and take profit deleted automatically together. And at this moment, we can set up both of them really easy. What additionally, as you can see, there would be a button at low, you can see, and here there would be information about your trading account. As you can see, it is unified trading account. You can choose accounts that you have. Here is the amount of money that you have, and here would be position. As you can see, our position at this moment, it is amount of coins, value in USD, and P&L that we have at this moment on this account. And we can close this trade, as you can see, really easily by clicking this button. We can close it, and it automatically closed entire position. How do we, for example, set up a limit orders? Because it's also important sometimes, and how you can do it. Let's go to other coin. Let's assume that we would like to trade, for example, Ripple. Right, so at this moment, as you can see, it is my previous execution on Ripple. You can get all the information, how many coins we traded, amount of a day. After that, as you can see here, when we sold those coins, we can set up a limit order. Let's assume that, like market, we would like to get a limit order. For a start, we need to choose the amount of coins that we would like to trade. For example, let's do 100 coins. Before you open a trade, as you can see, you can set up stop loss and you can set up a take profit. You automatically have potential stop loss and take profit, and if everything is okay, you take the trade. What should you do if you would like to change stop loss place and change take profit place? It's really easy. As you can see, you can move your stop loss, you can move it up, down. It's really easily when you can do it. You can move anything what you like, stop loss, take profit. Let's assume you would like to take short trade with the market. As you can see here, there is a button buy or sell, and let's sell 100 coins and set automatically stop loss 5 and take profit 10. Let's sell it. And you can see our stop loss and take profits set up really perfectly. Let's assume a situation that you would like to close your part position if price reach, for example, this key level. You can set up limit order and you can add reduce only. And for example, you have 100 coins. Instead of 100 coins, you can choose, for example, 25 coins. As you can see here, this limit order, it must be buy limit order, reduce only, and poof, we just set it up. And if price reach it, it only reduce your 100 coins. It won't open any new position. If something like this happens, for example, price first start hit your stop loss and after the drop, it won't open a new long position without you. Additionally, pay attention that all of these limit orders, there would be all information inside. For example, here we have the short position, as you can see, side, coins, value. Here, as you can see, you can add additionally all the information that you need about a trade. You can go to orders. Remember that each order that you do, stop loss, take profit, you also can get information. As you can see here, I also can cancel all of them. I can cancel stop loss, take profit, and those limit orders. And here, let's close it by parts. How you can close it by parts? It's really simple. You go to a market order and you choose reduce only. If you have short position, you simply can buy back 25 contracts and you can see we reduced amount of position. It is first option how you can close by part. And second option, of course, you set up a limit order with reduce only. When we switch to limit, it automatically creates this one. And here, as you can see, buy limit, reduce only. And after that, we can close entire position by simply closing by this button. After that, you can go to orders history, account summary, order history, positions. What about additional settings? Before I will show to you, I ask you to push like and go follow to my public Telegram, because I will share with you my strategy, my approach, my secrets that will help you become profitable. Additional settings, it is of course when you go to settings, there would be trading settings which you should also set up. First, there would be settings buy sell buttons, as you can see here, buy set buttons, one click trading. Honestly, if you're advanced person, I advise you to use it because sometimes it takes time to execute a trade and it's better to do it really fast. Execution sound, I think you saw it many times. Position and orders. Reverse position button, I honestly don't like it. You can close it. Profit and loss value in money. For crypto, I prefer to use it in money. For indices, I would like to use it in ticks. Execution labels, as you can see, you can add it. I don't like it. Execution marks, also better to use it. Extend price lines across all charts, order execution and positions in screenshots. For example, you set up limit order, create a screenshot, and you can see on the screenshot there is a limit order. But also what we can do, we go to settings, order execution position in screenshots. Sell limit, buy limit, and let's open it on a chart. As you can see, we see nothing. I was really happy to help you, and at this moment I prepared for you a powerful video lesson about our crypto strategy. Because remember, platform, it's only a tool. You need to know how to use it. It's like a doctor. You can have best tools, you have best equipments, but if you didn't learn how to use them, you can kill people. The same in trading, you can kill your account. In order to use it correctly, watch this video lesson where I show you my secret approach in trading. Have a good day.